Hey fam, in this video you will learn how much the Dogs coin can cost when it is listed, how to prepare for the upcoming airdrop, how to withdraw coins to the exchange, and when you can sell them. Additionally, we'll discuss safety rules to avoid falling into the hands of the scammers. Before continuing, subscribe to our channel and like this video. There's a lot of useful information ahead. Here we go! So what information do we have about the Dogs token airdrop? According to the project's official Telegram channel, here are the details. 81.5% of the tokens are allocated to the community. The total supply of Dogs tokens at launch will be 550 billion tokens. However, only 400 billion will be distributed to the airdrop. The coins will be traded on the centralized exchanges such as OKX and ByBit starting from the 16th of August. So, today we can claim the tokens to our wallet and then send them to the exchange. I'll explain how to do that later. On the 20th of August, trading will officially begin on these exchanges. Out of the 55 million users, 42 million will receive the airdrop. On the average, each user will receive around 9,500 Dogs tokens. Now let's calculate. If we assume the initial market cap of $1 billion, similar to what happened with Notcoin, we get price per Dogs equals initial market cap divided by total tokens in circulation. That means the price per Dogs should be around $0.0025. If we consider a more conservative estimate, such as an initial market cap of $750 million, we'll get the price of one Dogs token at $0.0018. Keep in mind that actual market dynamics and demand will play a significant role in determining the listing price. So how can you withdraw Dogs tokens from the application to a centralized exchange? Well, to participate in the Dogs token airdrop and be among the first one to sell, you need to follow these steps. Register on a centralized exchange and complete the identity verification there, or KYC. We'll assume that you already have registered on the OKX or ByBit and have an account there. And the process of withdrawing tokens from your PC or cell phone look almost identical, but we'll duplicate them in the video. So first you need to go to the Dogs application, select deposit to exchanges, then continue, then select OKX or ByBit. In our case, it's going to be a ByBit. And then you press I confirm, yes I have it, you have a ByBit account, then you need to insert your UID. UID is displayed in your account in the top line. You copy it and then you paste it in the ByBit UID field. Next, you need a deposit address for this. You go to deposit on the ByBit and then you select deposit crypto, enter Dogs, and it offers you all the details for the deposit. You have two lines here. This is actually a deposit address and a memo tag. So copy the deposit address and then paste it in the Dogs app, and then copy the memo tag and paste it as well. And please make sure that you copy your own memo and deposit address. Confirm the separation. In the future, you can return to ByBit and your tokens will be credited to your account. Right now, this process can take pretty long, so make sure to do this ASAP. When trading starts, you can actually sell these tokens on the exchange. That was simple, wasn't it? But the last thing you need to figure out is how to not to fall into the hands of scammers and not to lose access to all of your accumulated tokens. So the main rule here is don't trust anyone with your tokens. Scammers will offer different conditions for withdrawing tokens for a percentage or without a percentage and so on, and they will offer the help, they will tell you that you can simply receive your funds and so on. This is 99.9% scams. So best thing you can do is to register on your own, get the ByBit or OKX account on your own, and then withdraw the tokens to your account according to the instructions that we have provided. If you still have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments and we will be glad to help you. So now you should be aware of how to safely withdraw your Dogs tokens to the exchange and then sell them if you'd like to. Hit the like button and subscribe to get more useful information in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.